You're listening to Haywaa.com. Here is the latest news. 4 ways to track 3I/Atlas without a telescope during its closest approach to Earth tonight. Interstellar comet 3I/Atlas, discovered by the Atlas Survey, will approach Earth on December 19, 2025, at a distance of 170 million miles. Despite the vast distance, enthusiasts can track it using online tools. NASA's EYES offers a 3D orbit model, while COBS provides brightness data. The Virtual Telescope Project's YouTube stream and apps like Stellarium help cite the comet. ChatGPT introduces an app store, notifying developers that it's now open for business. OpenAI has made a significant announcement regarding its chatbot, ChatGPT, by adding an app directory within its tools menu, which has been quickly labeled as an app store. This move follows the announcement in October about introducing apps to enhance ChatGPT's capabilities, allowing users to integrate with platforms like Expedia, Spotify, Zillow, and Canva directly from Chat. Developers are now able to submit their apps for review and potential publication using the app's SDK still in beta to create new experiences for users. OpenAI aims to expand the app ecosystem and provide more incentives for users to stay engaged with the platform. Google's NotebookLM unveils the Data Tables feature. NotebookLM's latest feature, Data Tables, is designed to help users synthesize information from multiple sources and neatly organize it into charts, simplifying the process of managing scattered data for export to Google Sheets. Initially available to Pro and Ultra users, this functionality aligns with natural language processing capabilities, allowing users to form tables through intuitive, conversational interactions. It complements last month's edition of Deep Research, enhancing the Gemini chatbot's proficiency in handling complex queries efficiently. Data Tables will expand its accessibility to all users progressively over the following weeks. Jensen Huang says open innovation is key to AI growth as NVIDIA unveils an open-source AI push and major acquisition. NVIDIA has announced a major expansion in its open-source AI endeavors by acquiring SCHEDMD, the makers of the widely used Slurm workload management system. Slurm specializes in scheduling and resource allocation, crucial for managing large-scale parallel AI tasks across various sectors, including the top-performing supercomputers globally. Alongside this acquisition, NVIDIA introduced the Nemotron 3 model series, consisting of nano, super, and ultra variations, designed for diverse AI applications, ensuring compatibility with NVIDIA's accelerated computing platforms. These initiatives emphasize NVIDIA's commitment to open innovation, providing developers with tools, datasets, and a hybrid mixture of experts architecture for creating sophisticated AI systems. Not only is RAM becoming pricier, but the cost of chip manufacturing tools is also expected to soar, experts warn. Chip manufacturing costs are increasing alongside soaring RAM prices, driven by rising demand for high-performance computing and AI workloads. Sales of semiconductor manufacturing equipment are forecast to grow significantly, escalating to $156 billion by 2027, according to Semi reports. Investments in AI, high-bandwidth memory, and cutting-edge chip-making technology are driving these cost increases, heavily concentrated in China, Taiwan, and Korea. Senior principal analyst Lino Zhang highlights a surge in demand for both conventional DRAM and high-bandwidth memory, creating a short-term price rally in the semiconductor market. TikTok agrees to give control of its U.S. business to an American investor group. TikTok has finalized a significant deal transferring 45% of its U.S. business operations to an American investor group, comprising Oracle, Silver Lake, and MGX, while ByteDance retains nearly a 20% stake. This arrangement forms a new entity called TikTok USDS Joint Venture LLC, which will oversee data protection and content moderation, with Oracle appointed as the trusted security partner. Scheduled for completion on January 22, 2026, the deal aligns closely with a previous executive order focused on protecting national security. The transaction aims to address long-standing security concerns while keeping TikTok operational in the U.S. Delby and LG unveil a modular home audio system for CES 2026. Delby and LG have partnered to unveil the LG Sound Suite, a modular home audio system, at CES 2026. This system consists of the H7 soundbar, M7 and M5 wireless surround speakers, and the W7 subwoofer, which can be configured into over 24 combinations, including a 13.1.7 channel setup. The highlight is Dolby Atmos Flex Connect, an audio technology that adjusts sound based on speaker placement, optimizing audio output even from unconventional layouts. Additionally, LG plans to introduce Dolby Atmos Flex Connect to select 2025 model TVs in a future software update. Kingston warns of rising SSD costs due to a 246% jump in NAND wafer prices, mostly in the last 60 days. Kingston has highlighted a significant 246% surge in NAND wafer prices, particularly in the past 60 days. This spike is attributed to increased demand from data centers needing high-capacity SSDs for AI workloads. Cameron Crandall advises consumers to upgrade storage immediately to avoid escalating prices in 2026. This situation is expected to impact both businesses and consumers heavily, as SSD prices will likely continue rising due to ongoing demand pressures. Researchers report a new anomaly linked to the object 3I Atlas. 3I Atlas, an interstellar object perceived as a comet, is nearing Earth at a distance slightly less than twice that between the Earth and Sun. Avi Loeb highlights this object's unique trajectory alignment with the solar system's planets, alongside cardinal features like its sunward jet and carbon dioxide presence. Spanish astronomers using the 2-meter twin telescope in Tenerife identified a wobbling high-altitude jet, suggesting an orientation within 8 degrees from the sun, a remarkable anomaly sparking debate over its nature. Loeb speculates on both natural and artificial origins, prompting further spectroscopic investigations into this enigma. You've just heard the latest news. Thanks for listening. This is Haywaa.com.